Okay, so we got the oil pan plug tightened. Got the old drain. We got the filter on there. Now we got to keep in mind these 6.7 liter turbo diesels take 13 quarts. So we bought 3 gallons. That will give us 12 quarts. And I'm sure there's still some in there. We'll see where we're at on the dipstick. Alright. So I went to go throw the gallon jug over there, and look, our air compressor caught it. That don't happen every day. Alright, so looks like we're back up to full. Clean it off. I'll go back down in there. All the way to here, click. Bring it all the way back out here. That's where we're at. We're up in the safe zone. Good to go. Alright, you guys. I think that's about all. Start it up. Make sure you check everything. Alright, keep the job done right. Alright, keep the job done right. Alright, I'm going to clean this air filter real quick and I'll be done.